Hello, I'm Jitan Agarwal from Aisha Trucks and Buses. Aisha has set another benchmark in Indian commercial vehicle industry through its all-new revolutionary BS6 solution, UTEC 6. This technology is based on the expertise of supplying Euro 6 base engine to the Volvo Group for over 6 years, where more than 1 lakh Euro 6 base engines are already in operational in 41 countries around the globe. The Aisha BS6 Pro series of heavy-duty tippers and transit mixtures are available in wide range from 18.5 ton to 35 ton gross vehicle weight and that are packed with many innovative features. Heavy-duty tipper segment is rapidly evolving and becoming more demanding in terms of better fuel efficiency, faster turnaround time, higher productivity, superior uptime along with driver safety and comfort. So here Aisha comes with its offering of 8x4 tipper Edge Pro 635T that is built on the philosophy of do more. The Aisha Pro 6035T is the next generation 35 ton gross vehicle weight 8x4 tipper targeting segments like sand, earthwork, coal, iron ore, limestone and blue metal. It is available in CVC and two fully built variants of 20 and 23 km box and 5 to 85 mm wheelbase. Continuing with our core DNA of mileage ka Badshah, Aisha Pro 6035T is designed to deliver higher fuel efficiency in the category with proven VEDX8 6-cylinder engine that is clubbed with Volvo Group engine management system and compact bauxite eaves with vanadium-based SCR for best-in-class fuel efficiency, delivering a max power output of 260 horsepower at 2200 rpm and peak torque delivery of 1000 Nm for a wide range of rpm from 1000 to 1700 rpm, thereby resulting in lesser fuel consumption. Intelligent features like first in industry fuel coaching for providing real-time guidance to the driver for improved fuel economics and M Booster Plus with multi-driving modes to optimize the acceleration and maximize the fuel efficiency. Energy-saving components like ESS compressor and viscotronic fan for reduced parasitic and mechanical losses, thus improving the fuel efficiency. Aisha Pro 6035T is designed to deliver faster turnaround time, hence more number of trips with higher power to weight and torque to weight ratios ensures in higher average speed that turns into better pickup and more number of trips. Lower turning circle diameter, superior gradability and high torque at wheels ensures faster turnaround time. Interaxle differential lock ensures easy operation in tough and slushy roads and quick turnaround time, as downtime is the biggest cost for any transporter. So our Aisha Pro 6035T delivers superior uptime through high strength domed chassis, bogie suspension and reliable aggregates ensure your truck is available all the time. High performance engine brakes helps to minimize engine overrun and to improve service brakes and tires life. Advanced onboard diagnostics that displays fault indicators in form of audio-video signals for preventive maintenance. 4-ways engine protection system for engine safety and lower maintenance. Long and synchronized oil drain intervals of 1500 hours. Fully equipped Aisha service network, site support, and innovative uptime center ensure that your truck is available maximum time to do more. Cabin comfort and safety are of prime importance. So our Aisha Pro 635T provides more comfort, enhanced safety through AIS 029 crash tested cabin with improved suspension for better driving comfort. Ergonomically designed cabin with cruise control and standard HVAC for fatigue-free longer drives. Parabolic suspension for better driving comfort. Intelligent Driver Information System IDIS, which continuously guides the driver on truck's various operational parameters. 6-way adjustable driver's seat and tilt and telescopic power steering for a better driving posture. All side mirrors for enhanced safety. With lifetime support solutions, we ensure a complete peace of mind through seamless and hassle-free experience from the time when you consider buying an Aisha vehicle to the time you think of selling it. For any queries, please log on to aishatrucksandbuses.com or call Aisha Care on 1800 102 3531.